I'm going to clean the cooling system of this Toyota Alphard. So first you have to undo the 4 bolts from the chair, 14 mm. So 1, 2, and then 2 at the back, and then that's what I did. And then the cooling fan for the hybrid battery. So that's it. It's too dirty, huh? See the filter? That's the one. And they have a clip here. That's it. That's it. So we have to clean this. Okay. And this is your cooler fan for the hybrid battery. So don't forget to subscribe and share if you learn something about this hybrid battery cooling system. Thank you for watching.